All right, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I have very fantastic opportunity for us. A lot of you have been complaining you cannot trade forex market and all of that. I can tell you, boldly speaking, one of the biggest problem or issues around you unable to trade forex market is supporting tools. Now, you are a member of Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club. You must trade the market, both future, crypto futures or spot, stock, then Forex. Now, in the Forex aspect, it's very simple. Now we have tools. These are tools, right? Now look at this. This is Euro USD. So you are going to start with what we call a cent account. But I want to show you different tools you have. This is one of the scanner, though they look similar. But this is Plan B, this is PBX SMC, this PBX SMC kit is still having similar interface, but there are different segment of it. This is PBS SMC kit. Help you can scalp successfully. It's the same way with other things. You know, we teach you about the market structure and all of that, just like how a sell-off here, you know why we sell here, and your tool gave you signal to sell. So you'll be scalping and making money. So you see this tool here. Now, this tool here, now I need to come to show you how we use it on top of on top of the first kit. So they are the same. One is called PBX Sniper Scalper. Okay, PBS Sniper Scalper and then PBS SMC kit. This PBS SMC kit, you can use it without the background of the Sniper Scalper, or you use in combination with the background of Sniper Scalper. So, but look at the PBX now. This is a sell. Now, if you are trading currencies, we tell you to target only 10 to 50 pips. 10 to 50 pips. If you look at it now, this is already 17 pips. So that means you have made more than that. So there are futures we add to it that help you to scalp, and then haven't seen this kind of movement. But the point is that it helps you to scalp so much that you make money. This is another entry. All right. So this is another entry. All right. But in this whole entry is starting from here. We now said you only exit when you see an opposing, right? An opposing Sniper Scalper signal, right? Which means this is 37 pips. If you're lucky, you were in. Now, Sniper Scalper, whatever, gave you another signal. This 15-minute time frame. You can do 5-minute time frame, right? And this is this. And already giving you, so heading up here was when Sniper Scalper signal up came out, which is about 17 pips. So you're already off. Then another entry here. This is the massive thing you can enjoy on Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club. Trust me, it's super amazing. If you go to 5 minutes, it still print out this for you so that you can maximize every opportunity in these tools. Look at it. Now, those of you who are already in Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club and you are learning some of those things we're teaching there, you will know reason why to have entered here, even outside the fact that your Sniper Scalper have indicated that you should sell. Now, the same thing, the buy, and then the same thing, the sell. And now the sell is to rationalize to finish. If you break this, then that means it's going to give you more selling. But of course, you don't need to go into this type when there is a news. Okay? So this is how. So there was an obstruction in the network connection, ladies and gentlemen. So now we still have other plain scalping analysis, market analysis segment to help you in maximizing trade. Are you getting it now? So that's why we always encourage people to pay attention to what we offer. What we offer is super, super, super big. Are you getting it now? It's super, super, super big. So look at the scalping. Look at gold. Let's look at gold. Can you see? This is gold, and it gives you so massive entry and exit point. Massive one. If you can obey the instruction, it's very simple. And you don't obey them with fear. You obey them with simple instructions and follow. Can do to 3 minutes, you can do to 1 minute, you can do to 5 minutes, you can do to 15 minutes. Look at it, this is 1 minute, right? And there are things we always tell you to look out for. So this is PBS SMC kit. It gives you very powerful, not that you cannot lose trade, but of course your loss will be minimal, and then you will be happy with yourself at the end of the day. This is 120 pips. So with this, we always say target 50 pips to 100 pips, and you can do more than that. Now, let me show you the PBS Sniper Scalper. Okay, PBS Sniper Scalper. Let me just share with you very quickly. PBS Sniper Scalper. Let's go there. Right, so let's go to PBS Sniper Scalper. Look at how that one looks like. Okay, so this is PBS Sniper Scalper. They are similar, but there are tools inside it that are different, okay? So look at Euro USD. Look at the sell. This is 15 minutes. Look at the sell, and it's still selling. Except and if there's an edge here, so I may not be able to explain that. I'm going to do detail for every insider group. So if you want to know detail on how to use this and how to access this, then you need to subscribe to Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club. To be very candid, this scanner alone can make you a whole lot of money. What's our subscription? Yearly subscription is 150. You don't pay any other thing, but that's not the only. Scanner is just additional thing that you have. Remember, if you are part of Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club, or you have been following our training, you know that what we advertise and what we announce is bigger. So these are profit-taking level. These are profit-taking level. Once we break this and reject this, so this is called PBSP level. So once you cross this PBSC level, then it's going to continue. The same thing on gold. This is how we help people to maximize taking trade, even while you are waiting for certain structure to break. Look at it, another thing. This is PBX Sniper Scalper scanner. So this is Sniper Scalper scanner. So it works massively on gold, on Bitcoin, on even currencies. You can see what it's doing. So look at Bitcoin, for instance. It works on virtually everything. So how to set it up, we show you. This second, we have up to 12, but we only gave 2 on that group. Then the last thing we have PBX, which called Felix Hack. So we have Felix Hack. I'm going to show you Felix Hack on this. I'm quickly going to show you Felix Hack now. Let me just show you Felix Hack. Let me show you Felix Hack. Show you Felix Hack. Felix Hack. Let me show you Felix Hack, ladies and gentlemen. Show you Felix Hack. Show you Felix Hack. Let's go share screen. Okay. Let's go share screen. Okay, so let me just show you Felix Hack. Okay, this is Felix Hack. Look at it. This is Felix Hack, where you can use to trade gold, you can use to trade any instrument at all. You'll be to give you the hack in 1 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, a 5-minute time frame. Look at gold. A hack will give you to enjoy trade. Look at it here. Look at it here. Oh, this is a very powerful hack. So it trades synthetics. Of course, you have to be following the instruction what to do. You can use to trade synthetic, forex, crypto, everything. This is Felix Hack. Okay, so these 3 instruments are powerful enough to deliver you auto self-generated. Look at gold. Now, I think, are we in news already? The news is not yet, but there's a hype already happening and all of that. So this is hack. The hack is powerful. Are you seeing it now? We show you how to set it up on your MT5, MT4, and then how to make use of it effectively. It's very powerful. Okay? Now, somebody will be complaining, I do not have money. We have so many solutions for you. Let me show you now. We have so many what? So many solutions for you. Let me just quickly show you something. Now, in trading Forex, so people complain of capital. So we got a solution for you. And what's the solution is simple. I'm going to show you the solution that is very simple. You can simply opt in for this type of account. We call this account, okay? We call this account, this type, you can opt in for this type of account. We call this account a cent account. So you want to participate in the cent account. So just go to the comment section. There's a link of a broker you need to register, verify your account. While you are registering, it's going to ask you to select either Syntax or Pro. Just select Pro. Then once you have registered, verify your account, you can log in and create account. Look at it, open account. So when you are opening the account, make sure that is this one that is selected, right? That is micro, and that micro is a cent account. So once you open it, so you select the MetaTrader you want. I love my MT5. Then if you want to now select, of course, dollar or euro, then this one, if you like, you can make it 1:1,000 or you make it 1:500. So whichever one you prefer, you can make it. So let's say we make it 1:500 or you make it 1:1,000. So you click and click open. So as I open, it's going to show me, right? So you can see I'm not going to use this. So it's going to show me this ID and then the trading password. Do you understand? So you show me the trading password and it told me that this had been sent to my account. So let me just show you. I'm going to copy and paste just to do experiment. So I will log in and you see how this actually works. It makes a lot of sense, okay? It makes a whole lot of sense. So it will help you. So if I deposit in money to this account, I can trade. So if you deposit $1, it will give you 1,000 units because it's a cent. So $1, so it give you, $1 give you 100 cents. I think so. Yeah. So $10 will give you 1,000 cents. So you can now see you are trading with 1,000 cents. Does that make sense? So this is very powerful. Those of you who have who have opportunity to be taking advantage of this space and you are not doing, you're actually leaving so much money on the table. Yes, I'm saying that so that you can wake up and maximize the opportunity we have. The hack is going to help you. Look at this. The hack now, okay, 1 minute time frame. So look at it. So you can imagine the hack. If you take a trade from here, ordinarily, let's take it from here, for instance. Look at this sell to this point. That's already 12 pips. If you take it from where the signal give you, now another signal is already given, but you have to be very careful because we are entering into news time. That is economic calendar. So that can be more risky. Yeah. So at that point in time, I always tell people, beginners or whatever, to avoid trading anyhow because that can be very, very risky. Are you getting it now? That can be very, very what? Very risky because trade can somersault you because we don't know where the market or where the news is going to tumble people onto. So now I've just shown you this. Now, second thing you can leverage on, but the first one, at least to follow our instruction and all of that. I don't encourage demo account. I encourage cent account. So even when you want to back test a strategy, open a cent account with us on this WealthTrade. For us to register, some of you are already in our ecosystem and you are registered with us for WealthTrade on synthetic, then it's a lot easier for you. Okay, so the signal is pumping up now. So let's go and see. So maybe it's going to be valid because this is a breaker block. So you have to be very careful. So what I'm saying is very simple. Once you can now take advantage of what we call a challenge account. So this is Plutus. Plutus is fantastic because I'm seeing a whole lot of things around it. Let me quickly explain to you. You go to the comment section, pick a link, register on the Plutus, and you're going to see Plutus have what they call lighting. So lighting is that I can pay some money upfront and balance later. So, and it's just for me to pass 3%. Okay, so the other conditions are there whereby the daily drawdown and the maximum drawdown you should have. So then that means with $20,000, you can buy and pay upfront 49, then balance later. I think 120 something or 140 something. I don't know, but altogether, but you already just pay 49 and you have access to it to trade and pass the challenge. Once you pass the challenge, you balance the remaining one. That's a massive one. So we have 20,000, 50,000, and 100,000 in that category. But the main challenge account is this 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. So is that you pass your challenge, is phase one and phase two, 8%, 6%, down together 14%. Then daily drawdown is 7%, and maximum drawdown is 12%. Okay. Then I think it's so the drawdown is on trailing. So expert advisor, you can do EAs, that's robot. You can use robot on the platform. Okay, can trade news, but I don't encourage people to actually trade news. Okay, so for the fact that you can trade news does not mean that you should be wasting your money anyhow and all of that because it's volatile. Now, daily drawdown at that point, once you pass on 20K, it's 5% daily drawdown, then 10% daily, 10% overall drawdown. That's not bad. 127 euro to buy the challenge account. That's, let's call it 130 something dollars. It's not too much. Now, $50,000 you are buying, and then to do the same thing, and of course, the same role, 189 euro. Let's call it 200 and something dollars. Then this one, 340 something. That's massive. Then you can go for instant funding. Okay, you can go for what? Instant funding. So instant funding, you have different instant funding, $5,000. You pay $87, and then what you are supposed to do, there is no delay of withdrawal. I think your withdrawal, so you can withdraw anytime. Fast payout without minimum. So meaning once you're able to first withdrawal, minimum trading days is 7 days. Okay. Yeah, minimum trading day is 7 days and all of that. Then you have, what do we do here? I think there's other functions you maximize here. So you have 20,000 stand funding, you have 600 and so 50,000 is 691, 20,000 is 319, 10,000 is $167 because there's a promo, 5,000 is 87. So I think daily drawdown should be 4%. I think that's what they said, that for 3%, 4% or something. Then you can, so even if it's 3%, that's $150. So it's not bad as it were. Okay. So why I'm showing you all of this opportunity, we have tools that will help you to maximize. So you go to the comment sections, take the link there and register, verify your account because you need to do your KYC, do every necessary thing, and then start maximizing opportunity in this space. So imagine where you have this tool in your hands. You know, I told you, I say it's delicate here and news is coming. All right. If because you know, USD had been struggling for a while. So if it's going to get a favorable news, then that means it's going to blow down so massively. That's what it means. Okay. That means it's going to blow down so massively. The news will soon happen. I think it's 2:30 Nigerian local time and all of that. So ladies and gentlemen, we have this massive and powerful opportunity. So first, register, go to the comment section, pick the link there, register, and create a cent account. Now, I've told you that cent account is that if you put in $10, it is into 1,000 cents. So you can trade on that 1,000 cents and be working your activity. So you can follow any strategy and then see. Now, what's the difference? The difference is that it has separated you from just trading demo or trying to just so you are not trading demo. That's what it means. So anything reward you have, you know that, okay, the money I make, and then it makes you to feel the impact of normal trading and then implement all the strategy you have been taught. So, but when I see people trading demo, what experience are you going to get? Because by the time you start trading live, it's not the same. You are not going to feel the same. Your psychology are not going to be feel the same. So that's one of the things you need to learn and pay attention on, ladies and gentlemen. So this opportunity is fantastic. We have these tools that's going to help you. And then, so we have the scanners, 1, 2, and then we have the Felix hack that's going to help you on your MT5. So what else do you need? So you just be generating signal for yourself. Look at gold, like I've said. See gold. Can you see that? Can you see that? See just gold now. Look at it. Look at the signal here. Was it a wrong one? Now, so it's now preparing to probably going to be selling from here, but this is not the time to be buying or selling. It's very risky because news will soon happen. So you have to be very careful the way you, but look at the market. Let's take this market now and calculate how many pips has done. That is, if we get up to this point, that's going to go almost about 200 pips. You heard me right? Look at this one. Look at this one. It's a very fantastic stuff, so you can't afford to miss. So, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. If you're on the ecosystem already, don't play, don't joke. Let's work out modality and build our wealth together. It's very important. The financial market is loaded with so much opportunity that can help your finances. It's just for you to settle down and take advantage and maximize the opportunity therein. Just like you know, we trade stock, both local and international stock, and a lot of our community are already making a whole lot of money from our stock trading. Okay, so don't waste time. Sign up now with all those links I drop on the group and on the chat box. Haven't signed up, reach out to me, and then we put you through how to go a long way or how to go about subscribing to the Plan B Express Cash Flow Solution Club, and then how to get started. We're running a 90 days challenge already now. It's a very massive, massive, massive operation, and people who are paying attention, doing their assignment, they can affirm that what they are doing now is quite different from what used to happen. Of course, outside the fact that we have a passive opportunity, copy trading, that's automation and other stuff that can help you while you are learning. You will not be under pressure to want to look at, okay, what am I going to get and all of that. So you can see now this guy is now almost painting to be a demand zone. So if you don't do that, you can have a bounce. But if the dollar gain more momentum, as it were, then it will press down, shaking together and running over, as it were. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is Midas Felajimo, the team leader of Plan B Express. This is a fantastic opportunity to have for you. You can't afford to miss it. See you as you come on board and we ride the market together. Plan B Express, together we rise. Bye for now.